Get ready for an info-packed adventure. This is InfoSpheres 365. Hello, today we show the most world-delicious food. If you are new, please subscribe and be with us. First, we start from mid-Asian's country. 1. Turkey introduce. Kebab, baklava, lambikin. 2. Lebanon brought us. Shawarma, hummus, kibbeh. 3. Iran gave us. Kebabs, tadig, fesanjan. For Saudi Arabia known. Kabsa, mushabak, pears. 5. Israel introduce. Falafel, hummus, Israel salad. And we go to North America. 1. USA introduce. Cheeseburgers, barbecue ribs, mac and cheese. 2. Canada brought us. Poutine, butter tarts, bannock. Now show South America. 1. Mexico known. Tacos, mole, tamales. 2. Brazil introduce. Feijoada, pão de queijo, brigadeiros. 3. Argentina brought us. Asado, empanadas, milanesa. For Cuba known us. Ropa vieja, Cuban sandwich, tostines. 5. Colombia gave us. Arrops, sancocho, bandeja paisa. 6. Peru, lamo saltado, ceviche, ají de gallina. 7. El Salvador, pupusas, yuca frita, sopa de res. 8. Jamaica gave us. Jerk, chicken, ackee and saltfish. Patties. Here we go, Europe. 1. Italy introduce. Pizza, pasta carbonara, lasagna. 2. France brought us. Croissants, coke oven, baguette. 3. Spain gave us. Paella, churros, tortilla española. For Greece known. Moussaka, souvlaki, spanakopita. 5. Germany introduce. Bratwurst, pretzels, sauerbraten. 6. United Kingdom gave us. Fish and chips, Scheipertspie, full English breakfast. 7. Sweden brought us. Gravlax, meatballs, smorgasbord. 8. Poland gave us. Pierogi, kielbasa, beigosh. 9. Netherlands gave us. Herring, stroopwafels, bitterballen. 10. Portugal introduce. Pastéis de nata, bacalhau and caldo verde. 11. Hungary gave us. Goulash, chimney cake, chicken paprikash. 12. Belgium gave us. Waffles, moles frites, speculoos. 13. Czech Republic brought us. Svikovi, turnik, goulash. 14. Austria brought us. Wiener Schnitzel, Sacher Tort, Apfelstrudel. 15. Armenia, Dolma, Korovats, Gapama. 16. Australia, meat pies, pavlova, Vegemite on toasta. Let's go organics food fabricate country Africa. 1. Ethiopia introduce. Mrbeast Inatu, Doro what, Tibs. 2. Egypt introduce. Koshara, full medums, Mahashi. 3. Nigeria known. Jollof rice, Sia, pounded yam. For Morocco known. Tajin, Harira, couscous. 5. South Africa brought us. Bobotai, biltong, bunnychaw. 7. Kenya gave us. Nyama choma, ugali, githeri. 8. Uganda gave us. Matoki, luambo, ground nut sauce. 9. Somalia known. Barius, sambusa, kanjiro. 10. Ghana, fufu, kenki, wache. 11. Congo, pandu, madisu, fish dish with plantains. 12. Botswana brought us. Seswa, bogobi, mopane worms. 13. Libya introduce. Bazin, asida, kima. Now we're going to look Asian countries' food. 1. India introduce. Butter chicken, biryani, masala dosa. 2. Japan introduce. Sushi, ramen, tempura. 3. China introduce. Dumplings, Peking duck, hot pot. For Thailand introduce. Pad Thai, Gruen curry, Tom Yum. 5. South Korea gave us. Kimchi, bibimbap, bulgogi. 6. Vietnam gave us. Pho, banh mi, spring rolls. 7. Indonesia gave us. Nasi goreng, satay, Rendang. 8 Philippine brought us. Adobo. Lechon. Halo Halo. 9 Malaysia brought us. Nasi lemak. Laksa. Char kway teow. How we forget Russia. Russia gave us. Borscht. Beef stroganoff. Palmnia. We show some of the world-famous food. Let us know your country favorite food on the comment section. And please subscribe this channel. We deliver knowledge,